She Falls Like Rain è una canzone dedicata alle donne, è una canzone che ho scritto quando il disco era già chiuso e che ho voluto mettere all'ultimo momento, con grande sorpresa di tutti. She Falls Like Rain da Priceless per voi.
She always takes me as I am. She loves the child, become a man. She fills my world with sun. She's the one. She doesn't hurry words or time. Her hands are warm and so her smile, a shelter from my storm. She's at home. She falls like rain. She is my pain. She falls like rain. She heals my pain. No matter how hard days will be, I'll fall onto my knees. She always be right there for me, I'm sure. No matter how far we will be, surrounded by a reality, I'll feel a touch inside my heart and soul. She falls like rain. She heals my pain. She falls like rain. She's pure like rain.